So today I am going to be doing another unboxing with you guys. Recently I was in Paris and I bought a new bag. So when I was in Paris, I had the most wonderful time at the Saint Laurent boutique. I had actually never bought anything from the Saint Laurent store, even though my first bag was a Saint Laurent bag. And that was because I was like really nervous, and the first time I ever did it, I was like, oh, I don't want to buy it at a store. So I opted to go to Nordstrom and I bought my first bag at like Nordstrom. But I decided, hey, I'm in Paris. I think I want to go in store to purchase this. So a little bit of story time, and you can totally skip ahead if you want to get straight to the unboxing. I was actually really nervous going in because I heard that, you know, like different stores have different stocks. And so before I went in, I went and I called a lot of different boutiques. I also wanted to buy a gift for my boyfriend. I didn't know that different boutiques had women's only or men's only stock. Finally, I got a sales associate who was able to order me both items, and her name was Barbara, and she was so awesome. So I was like, yes. I got on texting basis with her. For sales associates, you can text them and stuff. It's super, super helpful because, you know, sometimes when I'm describing the bag, I'm like, oh yeah, it's the one with the chain, and she's like, yeah, which one? We have like 100 of them with chains. Or I'm like, hey, yeah, it's the black one with the gold accent, and it's just all so vague, even if you have the exact name. And so when I went to the store to pick it up, at first I was like really nervous. I don't know, sometimes it's like when you're going to those types of stores, in my opinion, I'm just like a regular person who happens to like this type of stuff. Like, I'm definitely not the person who's like going in buying like 10 bags, you know? I feel kind of like, I wouldn't say self-conscious, but I'm just like, But we went to the store and they were so nice. They're like, what do you want to drink? And I was like, do you guys have champagne? So they gave me champagne, they gave me water, they let me sit, and then they started letting me try on all these different types of bags. Like, the customer service was phenomenal. They were so patient. They didn't really try to rush me out of the store, because I know some places can be like, oh, you got your bag, okay, now let's wrap it up, let's go. They're really like, hey, you know, you can try on these other things if you like, just relax, you know? And, you know, take some photos, send them to your friends. It was honestly one of the most nicest experiences ever. I went and I got a Saint Laurent camera bag. This bag is super cute. It comes with so many different finishes. I wanted something that I can bring out, and it just gave me a more elegant feel. So that's why I went for this Saint Laurent bag. I have the bag now, and I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. I just love Saint Laurent. Like, I love how edgy and sleek this bag looks. It's actually like a huge bag. Like, if you wear it, it's like, it's a huge bag. I was trying to repack this in my suitcase, so I kind of just ripped the sticker off. All right, okay, so now I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so inside there is a box, and it's interesting because the ribbon is wrapped on the other side. I think that it's because it's so much cleaner with the ribbon on the back, so that's pretty interesting. It's in a dust bag. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. I really do wish that I unboxed this a little bit earlier, just because this strap is now a little bit tangled. But I think that after you wear it for a while, it'll just like untangle itself. It's just like it's slightly, like, look at that, slightly bent because it's been in the box for a little bit. But oh my gosh, I opted to get this version with the gold detailing. I actually really wanted to get the silver. I've just been in a gold phase pretty often, and the silver also isn't the type of really super shiny silver. It's more of like a muted silver. So I just thought that, hey, I'm already in a gold phase, I'm just gonna go with the gold. I love her. And there's stitching here that creates this really, really cool pattern. The pattern is on both sides. There's also this really, really pretty tassel. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, there's some stuff in her. And then of course, there is the little certificate of verification. I love that the interior is black, and it's this really easy to clean material, I can tell. So I can tell that this bag is a little bit softer than the bags I'm used to, so you do have to be a little bit careful when handling it. Like, I feel like this bag could be a little bit more prone to scratches or any other type of stuff. But overall, I'm super, super happy, and I love this is perfect. I've had many bags where it didn't come with this, I don't even know what this is called, like a clasp, like a little leather bit here. It makes sure that the strap lies flat, because I have many bags that don't come with this, and what ends up happening is that this just twists out. It's a really well-made bag, and for the cost, I just think it's like a no-brainer. Yeah, I love the little detail. It's like in your face without being really out there. It's just so beautiful. So that is my review of this bag. I'm super, super happy with my purchase. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!